This floor plan is amazing. 2 owner's suites on the main level, and the bathrooms are simply spectacular. Plus a spacious guest suite and full bath, and a bonus room upstairs. Can't wait for you to see in person. Beautiful open floor plan where the kitchen, dining and living rooms are all open so you can cook, dine, or watch TV while entertaining your family and friends. 10-foot ceiling height, real hardwood floors on the main, tile in the wet areas. The kitchen has an unbelievable amount of counter space, stainless appliances, granite tops, and a 4-burner gas stove. Lovely and private patio space with a fireplace, 2-car garage, tankless hot water heater, and an enormous walk-in attic storage area checks all the boxes. Please make your appointments to see this lovely home. Home is plumbed for central vacuum, wired for F240V charging station in the garage. Entire home is LED can lighting. No more changing light bulbs.